Welcome to our channel. If you or someone you know has visual impairments and needs to enable TalkBack accessibility features on an Android device, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate screen reading capabilities. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find this app in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility in the Settings menu. This section contains all accessibility features, including TalkBack, font size adjustments, and display options. Step 3. Under the Accessibility menu, find and tap on TalkBack or Screen Reader, depending on your device manufacturer. Samsung devices may call it Voice Assistant. Step 4. Toggle the TalkBack switch to On. A confirmation dialog will appear explaining how TalkBack works and asking you to confirm activation. Step 5. Tap OK or Use TalkBack in the confirmation dialog. Once activated, TalkBack will begin providing spoken feedback for everything you touch or select on your screen. Step 6. Learn the basic TalkBack gestures. Tap once to select an item, double tap to activate it, and swipe right or left to navigate between items on your screen. Step 7. To quickly enable or disable TalkBack in the future, use the volume key shortcut. Press and hold both volume keys for 3 seconds to toggle TalkBack on or off. Step 8. Customize TalkBack settings by going back to Accessibility Settings and tapping TalkBack. Here you can adjust speech rate, verbosity, and other preferences to suit your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.